the sense that I'm getting from talking to people who are in the European Parliament in Strasbourg already is that this is being mentioned on the sidelines of meetings by their colleagues. People are not happy with how Ireland voted. And, you know, Micheál Martin might find out when he goes to speak to his European Council colleagues today how exactly that particular decision by Ireland has gone down. But as you said, this roadblock put in the way of the Mercosur deal by MEPs in the European Parliament. The European Parliament, when they get a chance, like to sort of flex their muscles and show that they're an institution that matters.
I want to pick up on what you said earlier on about speaking to MEPs in Strasbourg, and that kind of on the sidelines, that they're really getting feedback that Ireland is on the naughty step, is in the bad books with Mercosur. Do you think that could be just a temporary thing? That, you know, it's still quite recent since the vote, and that maybe over time, like we do have a 2-year delay anyway now, that maybe in 2 years' time so much will have happened that Ireland's kind of standing and reputation won't have taken that much of a knock? Or do you think actually it is quite serious?
Well, I think the real test will be, or the real issue that Europe might have with Ireland is related to defence spending and the fact that many EU member states are looking at us as someone, you know, in government described to me, they're looking at us with their mouths open and their eyes watering at the amount of corporation tax that Ireland is taking in from the multinationals, and all these billions sitting there that we are not spending on defence, whereas other countries are eating into budgets that they might have for other public services to spend on their defence. I think that is one particular tricky issue between Ireland and other member states. But I think there's a problem arising in relation to sort of a breakdown in trust, because it's been put, you know, to some MEPs that the nitrates derogation extension was given to Ireland as a sort of a quid pro quo for backing Mercosur. And we sort of took the derogation extension and then sort of did the dirty by not keeping our side of the bargain.